Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Kana ra.
Message call, message.
Wa matingalan.
Aw, unsab na po dito message. Unsab dito akong giingon. Dito message, happy birthday man day. Message na biya na. Ah.
Para ni Marcos.
May happy birthday diha. Dayon kanang pangimbitar ko niya ha og birthday nimo kay aron ka makapangandam po mi dire kay basik mag-birthday ka diha o nya mopahibalo po ka nga ang imong birthday extended is dipolog di dire ra pud mi magtapok-tapok. Lamat daan ha, lamat daan. Okay.
Hi, Gaw, Amiat. Happy birthday. Many more birthday to come. Dito, blo. Ang padala dito sa Dipolo, kay makaon ra pud me. Happy birthday.
Hello, me. Kumusta? Happy birthday. All the best. God bless you always. I love you.
Happy birthday, ma. Moran.
Alam naman.
Alam naman.
Ante, kumusta? Happy birthday. God health always. Then, salamat sa na-invitation po hon. Okay, God health.
Happy birthday, Mama Ami, from Heidi and me. My wishes for you are good health and, of course, perseverance with the Lord. And also love life. My memories with you, daghan oy, you are so maarte, and you taught us how to snorkel. Di ko kalimutan na nga body language pa kay ka sa una. Magkuan ka one piece swimsuit with your snorkel, and then imoming tudluan bisag may kabalo mo lang oy. And of course, baking. No, I've seen you have baked so many cakes, but most of all, I remember you as my cousin. I love you. Happy birthday. Nasinawan ako na ako eh.
Hi, good morning, class. Happy 60th birthday. I'm wishing you a lot for having a good health, more years to come. As we all know that you are now on chapter 6 and I'm almost going to chapter 6. I'm with my students here inside my room at the BIT International College, Secure Campus, the College of Business Art, freshman. So, the memories that I had with you, Cass, when during the summer break, when I used to go to Lingan City, or Lingan Dipolog City for a break, and then katong manguha tao tagintim adto dito sa fisheries katong na bridge dayon, and the rest nga dagan pa tong kuan makalimot nako usahay usa ka na pagsuguon ta ni Lula, si Tasyo, sige ra magkasibat. Okay? And then, Kas, one thing na animo is, you are the, kuan, kanang singalan ani, kanang, kuan ni Mama Maming. Kana juga sa, ni Mama yun, nimo, liwat yun kayo kakas. And then, wala na siya, Kas. Again and again, I'm wishing you a best year and birthdays to come, more birthdays to come in your life. And enjoy yourself. And kabalo ko na ka sa Canada mag-celebrate ko lang ka diri sa Philippines. I love you, Cass, and I miss you.
That's all.
Yeah. Hi, Amy.
Hi.
This is Elena. This is Tabriana. Remember? In this, and this is Maria. We wish you happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
All the best. We miss you. Hope to see you soon.
In Cyprus.
Bye.
Hi. Very hot here. I hope it's the opposite in Canada. I heard it's your birthday, so here I am greeting you a very, 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 very cold weather. Anyway, I wish you the happiest birthday yet, and many, many, many more blessings to come your way. And I hope with that blessing you will also share that with us. And here's hoping that soon we'll be seeing each other. For all you know, I might be visiting Canada with you as the host. So, Ami, I really wish you good health and more birthdays to celebrate. Happy birthday, thank you.
Good evening, me. Happy birthday. So, nakilay pasupot diha kanimo. Two wonderful memories that I have with you. Ang una is when kanang gidala nimo ang mga bata sa Jollibee katong time nga gioperahan si Papa sa iyang gallbladder. Di ko malimot adto me because ang mga bata ba kay lipay jud sila kaayo nga imos lang gidala sa Jollibee niya. Special man gud na kay paminawon ang Jollibee compared sa ubang mga food outlet unya ang mga bata na lipay gid sila kaayo adto nga bisan kadtong time nga nanguli na mo after the operation sige gyapon sila gisgot bahin sa Jollibee. Thank you kaayo adto nga imong gi-treat ang mga bata. And then second ako nga wonderful memory kay katong time nga imong gi-assistan si Vicky sa iyang kasal. I know nga at that time siguro you were also financially tied up unya busy pud ka but you really set aside your time and money para lang yun ma-assistan si Vicky and you stepped up as her mom in my behalf. Salamat kaayo ako yun tong i-consider nga debt of gratitude sa imo ha kay imo gyud siyang gipa-feel nga naa siya'y pamilya dito despite sa distance namo diha niya. And akong wish nimo is good health of course and happiness. Kabalo ko nga bisan unsa pa atong buhaton it will always boil down na gusto gyud ta ma-happy, gusto gyud ta ma-joyful sa atong mga kinabuhi. When we do things to our children, it will bring joy to us. So, akong wish nimo is for you to have quality and joyful time with the kids. Kay nagkalain-lain na sila kinabuhi, malayo na sa atua. But still, in your case, makakonek yapon kanila. Congratulations, di ay sa imong pagpadako o amuman nila nga nakaabot yun sila sa ilang gustong makabuot sa ilang ginabuhi. And happy birthday once again. Take care.
Hi, Mama Amy. Happy birthday. We're calling you all the way from Vancouver. My favorite memory of you, I just want to tell you, it's my favorite memory because it meant a lot to me. I just remember you at our wedding there, and you were just such a good support to both of us, and you really stuck up for my wife, and you really were there to support us, and that really meant a lot to me. And that's my favorite memory. I have lots of memories with you. I had good memories with you going on trips out to Savo Beach and Topomori and hanging around the house, and we had Christmas together, and remember meeting you there for the first time as well in Toronto there. And also I think we went to Niagara together. Just lots of good memories. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. My wish for you is that you're happy, and that I think you are. So I don't know what to say. I wish you all the best, I guess. Yeah. Thank you. Happy birthday, Mama Amy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola Ami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Ami. Happy 60th birthday. Greetings from North Carolina.
Happy 60th birthday, Mother! I am so happy for you, Ma. It's a different milestone. Memories with you, daghan kayo, but my favorite one was when I was still an international student. Naajud ka ma every weekend kung nalang ko'y pliti and makauli ko sa Toronto. Magluto dayon ka og sudan or kung dili man gani mag naanay available nga sudan i-pack nimo before ko mobalik sa Niagara. Memorable kay juto na ko kay you were there when lisod kayo akong life ato nga time. You were morally supporting me too nga makaya na ko bisag ako ra isa dito and lisod jud ang kinabuhi nga work and also studying. Pero naka-survive ko, Ma, and I'm sure nga kabalo ka nga I will not be where I am today if wala ka ni support na ko, Jud. Thank you kaayo, ana, Ma. And my wish for you is I wish na makauli kang Philippines and ma-enjoy nimo ang time together with family and friends. Spend time ka, mag-remember mo sa inyong mga past nga mga kabuang. And I also hope na and wish na makita mo ni Papa Rene and mag-remember mo sa inyong mga fun memories and even the bad memories. Apil man dyan na sa life. And without those, I'm sure na dili sad mabuo imo ang 4 great kids. So they're your blessing in your life and I'm happy nga happy sad ka. So thank you, Mother, and happy birthday again. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Sis, no, grabe, first time na kong gahig mo og video ngayon, ani. I miss you. Enjoy your day. Sis, ko kalimot na atong duha sa atong mga laag. Kanus amang ka mo uli. Uy, karon mo laag na punta ato sa mga parente. Happy birthday, Miats! Enjoy!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Amy. Happy birthday to you. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Naami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wishes from New Jersey. From Miss California. Mr. and Mrs. California. Okay, Nang. Have fun. Have fun.
Hi, happy birthday. Now you are 60, still young. Ang wish na ko nimo is good health, more blessings to come. And happy lang. And hoping you can find someone that you can hold you tight. Then favorite memory, katong nagsakay Mexicad nga, nagbati na ko. 12 midnight, paingon sa Provincial Hospital, from Magsaysay to Provincial Hospital. And I love you, I missed you, and hope to see you soon. And I want you to enjoy your day. It's your day. Happy birthday. I love you. Mwah. Chup chup.
Happy birthday, Mami! We want to greet you a happy birthday, and we hope that you'll have more blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Once again, happy birthday! Enjoy your life!
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sex mom, Ami. We wish you good health, kapis kayo sa panglawas, and more blessings to come for a very giving and beautiful lady in Canada with Buttercup. We wish you and we pray for your safetyness in your daily endeavors. Kapis kayo sa panglawas, pag likay sa mga dautan, dangers, accidents, and then the negativity in the world. We pray and hope that positivity will adhere and surround. The positive energy shall surround with you every day for a good and healthy mental health. And also, katabi, kapis kay, katong taas pa nga kinabuhi and more birthdays and
more candles to blow. And I wish nga magka-hiusa na mo kay kamo na lang po tulo na bilin. And I hope nga may na po ninyo ang kuan nga tulo. Magkasinabot na mo nga dili na mo si Galis. Kay kami po diri nga inyong mga anak, inyong mga pagumangkon na apod kuan sa inyo makasaksi. Gusto po mi nga mayro po ang ato ang kuan sa atong pamilya nga dili na si Glalis kay kapoy na kaayo. Then dagko na sad mi ganahan po mi nga magkayo sa puhon kay puhon mga apod ang mga igagaw nga naa diha sa gawas ari diri sa Pinas. Kami magkahiusa pod nga dili pod mi magstoryahay og mga maot kay kamo nga mag-igsuon is nagkahiusa naman good pod. And I hope and pray pod nga makauli ka diri ni Dadilo imo siya mabisita. And more to ang gusto ipabot salamat kayo pod sa
para malipay si
tatay. Oh yes, malipay si tatay og si Mamilo nga nasa taas nga naglantaw kanato. And thank you kayo di iPod sa financial support sa amo ang wedding sa last January 28
for the
financial support and love.
Not just that, but love. And for being our ninang.
Yeah.
Your ninang wishes for our married couple journey. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you so much, Ma. And once again, happy birthday. Take good care of yourself.
Good health. And
thank you so much, Ma.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All the time, Ma.
I love you. We love you, Ma. Bye-bye.
Hi, good morning to all my cousins out there in Canada and my pamangkin. Lo, happy birthday to you, Alma, known as Ami, Amyat, Agpasa Kumar, a replica of your mom, Mama Mami, pagkaliwata jud nimo. Okay? So, all I can say to you, sa imong ika-60th birthday is napay more blessings, more years to come, and more birthdays to celebrate. Okay? Then, ang di na ko makalimtan nimo sa gamay pata is kanang bakasyon ko sa Dipolog sa Ulingan adto sa Kalula kanang manguha tagim-tim magsige tag ilog anang punuan na ng tagim-tim if you remember, ato dito sa tulay sa Polar Fisheries. Diba? Ato kita dito, yung magbitbit ang kuhan, yung murag ikaw malagay po itong akong kauban niya, nakapulot ko glubi. Ngayon ko, uy, maugo ni sa amo, mapulot ko glubi. If I'm not mistaken, basta dito das ka lola, padulong das ka mami, manaway ko. So, mao na, I never get ang naaway kas. Awan mo po kaaway sa pagkasin. Kaya di man po ko ingon na ka, kuan, kamaldita. Okay? So, more dyan akong dilig ni mo hikalimtan. My dear Amiat, my dear Ami, my dear Alma. Okay? Alma, Ampasa Kumar, Dash, Cortez, of course. Dahan. Okay? So, Kas, mga nalaman to. Hoping nga magkita pa tayo in some of the years or coming years before we'll be saying goodbye, separated from here and then going to somewhere out there. Okay, Kas, I love you and I miss you both the place of Canada, kamo na adigna, o kami po na naadari sa Philippines. Love you!
Hello, Mommy Ams. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life and many more birthdays to come. And more good health. I hope to see you soon. And everybody, God bless you and your family. I love you and miss you. See you.
Hello girl! Happy birthday to you! Hello T, Ami! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best in life and more power, more smile, and be happy always. I love you, Ate Ami! Enjoy your special day. Mwah! Love you!
Ami, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sana maalala mo rin ako. I hope.
Sige, ma.